Hey everybody, the Fragrance Fiend here with my first official review. Today we'll be looking at the Groove Xcape by Xerjoff, their first release of 2023. And this is my first official impression, never having smelt this before. So the fragrance opens up with ginger, elemi, pepper, and cardamom. The opening's actually a lot more smooth than I expected. With the note breakdown, I thought it might be a little abrasive or sharp. In the heart you also have myrrh, mimosa, rose, and of course the incense, which is quite dominant, with base notes of cedar, patchouli, benzoin, and labdanum. You can smell that Groove Xcape is inspired by traditional Middle Eastern perfumery, however, it does have a bit of a modern and Western twist to it. Upon first initial smell, it somewhat reminded me of Ivory Route, also by Xerjoff, but as it dried down, there are a ton more differences. If I could compare it to any other fragrance, then Zafiro does come to mind, also by Xerjoff. As you can judge from the note breakdown, it's definitely syndicated more toward the season of winter. As someone who doesn't really have a large collection of Middle Eastern fragrances, it's a great addition for someone wanting to expand upon that scent profile. I really appreciate the artistic element behind the creation of this process and the whole marketing strategy with the influence of sound actually bringing it to life. It's currently an exclusive with Xerjoff.com for 370 Australian dollars. Overall, I feel it's a really well-crafted fragrance and I give it a solid 7 out of 10. The sillage and projection is definitely above average, with the longevity staying on my skin upward of 12 hours. I definitely recommend this fragrance to someone who hasn't really dabbled in Middle Eastern perfumery, as it is an easy first purchase if you're trying to stand out and be unique. I wouldn't really recommend it to someone if this is going to be their first Xerjoff purchase, as there's a lot more in their catalogue, which I believe will cater to someone getting into the brand. But if you have some of the main staples, then definitely give this a shot before you buy it.